Inside this living museum, a memorial to 5 birds that have all been driven to extinction in modern times. Portland-based sculptor Todd McGrain has dedicated the past 10 years to the Lost Bird Project as a warning call to the rest of us.
As most people know by now, we're in the midst of a real extinction crisis. And it's my belief that as a sculptor, the best thing I can do is to create memorials to the birds we've lost.
Birds like the passenger pigeon, which once numbered in the billions, and the great auk, a flightless bird hunted for its down.
Now I'm sort of seeing either there or here.
A documentary about the Lost Bird Project follows Todd as he tries to permanently install 800-pound sculptures in the last place such birds were seen in the wild.
They turned us down.
Oh, come on.
Bellevue Botanical Garden Director James Gagliardi says bringing these versions of the same sculptures here is a great way to start some good conversations.
So it's not just art for art's sake. It's about teaching a lesson in habitat susceptibility and conservation.
They don't have every detail, and that's purposeful. You know, I think of sort of a beach stone, something weathered in time, and the way memory softens over time. And my hope is that people will be moved by them, both by their form and by the subject matter, reflecting on extinction.
Art that brings back the names and forms of long-lost birds, because forgetting is another form of extinction.